Alright, here's a little update. We're 15 minutes in, 15 minutes to go. Oil pressure's still good. Alternator's working. Water pressure, water temperature is maintaining. It hasn't gone above 200. Still at 2,500 RPMs. The problem is, it seems like there's a leak in my heater core. The previous owner had it bypassed, and I thought it might be cool to actually have heat in this car, so I hooked it up. And I'll show you, we're leaking coolant a little bit, and there's some steam coming out of the windshield wiper column.